In a strong and unprecedented move, at least 13 judges of the Allahabad High Court have written to the Chief Justice of the High Court urging him to convene a full court to consider not giving effect to certain directions issued by the Supreme Court in its August 4th order, taking away a High Court judge's criminal roster until his retirement. My colleague Ashish Bhargava joins me for more on this. Ashish, does Justice Sinha's letter really raise concerns about High Court independence and also in light of this Supreme Court directions that have just come in?
Yeah, it's an unprecedented and unfortunate incident by the order of Supreme Court, and not only the judges of Allahabad High Court, also the top judges of Supreme Court, topmost senior judges of Supreme Court, including CJI B.R. Gavai and second in command Justice Surya Kant, felt that this judgment is basically judicial overreaching matter, and they spoke. Sources told us that CJI B.R. Gavai, Justice Surya Kant, and many senior judges met Justice Pardiwala and made them convinced to explain these type of observations and direction to the Allahabad High Court Chief Justice. And now Justice Pardiwala bench will rehear the matter today itself. Although also the senior lawyers and the lawyers of Supreme Court in corridor also criticizing this judgment, because all feeling that Supreme Court judicially can't direct any Chief Justice of any High Court to make a roster of any sitting judge, because Chief Justice of High Court is master of roster as settled by the Supreme Court in 2018. Also, the Chief Justice of High Court is authorized to roster any judge in any bench. So it was a judicial overreach matter as felt by topmost senior judges of Supreme Court also. Now this matter will be reheard by the same bench, Justice Pardiwala and Justice R. Mahadevan. And today itself, I feel that this judgment will they will recall this type of directions. Yes.
Ashish, you mentioned it's an unprecedented fallout, as you were rightly mentioning. So does this also can this also lead to a bigger judicial fallout in terms of procedures, the way they are set, and then the way things are handled?
See, there are 84 judges in Allahabad High Court, and now only 13 judges has written a letter to Chief Justice to convene a full court meeting so that they can decide, they can propose that there will be no implementation of Supreme Court August 4 judgment. So here we can't say it's a fallout, but it's a judicial overreach matter, as the top judges of Supreme Court also feeling. That's why they spoke to Justice J.B. Pardiwala, who will be Chief Justice of India also for 2 years and 3 months in 2029. So basically, everybody knows that there are settled judgment. The Supreme Court can't direct judicially to any Chief Justice of High Court to make a roster, because he is master of roster. He has to decide which judge will work, he has to assign all the work to the High Court judges. So there are clearly distinction in judicial judgments also by the Supreme Court, and they can request administratively, as we have seen the Justice Verma case. CJI Sanjeev Khanna wrote a letter requesting Allahabad Chief Justice not to give any judicial work to Justice Yashwant Verma. But it's a clear case of judicial overreaching matter.
So thank you so much.